Hey guys, if you are an iPhone user and play PUBG, you know PUBG is not opening in your iPhone. As per the website Down Detector, apps such as PUBG Mobile, Spotify and Pinterest are currently down for users. It is suggested that the reason behind this is Facebook's SDK, as many apps use this SDK for users to log in. Here in this video, I'm going to share how you can play PUBG even after you are getting this crash error. First, open your settings and search for date. Now you have to set date 9th July, and we all know PUBG was working on 9th July. After that, go back to home screen and now turn off both Wi-Fi and SIM data. And then open PUBG Mobile. You get this unable to connect this server error. Tap on OK. And you have to tap on OK until you get this login screen. Now you have to open any of the internet, either SIM data or Wi-Fi, and try to log in. There you go, we are successfully logged in. Thanks for watching and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. I will see you in my next video.